Okay.
Stop with this kind of.
Stop.
Nasty.
No, 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 no. We don't use that language here. Stop. That is not okay. Stop. Stop. How many times do I have to ask you to stop?
12.
One. No. How many times? One time. Okay, thank you. Okay, so now we did our little designs yesterday on what we thought made day and night. We talked about what engineers do in order to learn about what makes day and night. Scientists study the world using what? Technologies that and tools that who develop? Engineers. And we can't forget those awesome mathematicians, okay? No, mathematicians. They work with all the numbers about how many days, how many weeks it would take for us to reach the moon, the space, okay? For the scientists to reach out in outer space, to study the night and the day. Now our question at the end of the day, you're going to have to think, once you do your models of what you think makes night and day, what engineers designed to help us know about the day and the night. So I want you to start thinking about that. As we are doing this, as we are trying to figure out where the earth lies. Hold on, Yar, please stop. Hold on, remember? Where the earth lies in space. Where does the sun lie in space? Where does it stay? Where does it stay? Where does it sleep? Where does it get? All right, where is the moon? Terrence, pay attention to me and not Yar, please. Yar needs a break right now. We're giving her a break because she needs to get up and move. She can get up and move. Okay, please pay attention to me. Okay? All right? So now, your question at the end of this will be thinking about, now that scientists and engineers were able to make these tools and technologies to study the earth, and they learned about the night and the day, what new technologies did the engineers design to help us get through the nights and the days? Or how does it help us understand the night and the days? Okay? So your job is to be taking these objects, and I am so excited to see what you get, okay? Because of your pictures. Now, Ajed, I had to write some notes on the back of yours because that's what teachers do as well. Just like scientists, Mrs. Webb had to collaborate with the teacher about your guys' pictures because I was so excited about your designs and what you thought and how to teach you a better understanding of it. Okay? All right? So, stop. No, that's not your job right now. I'll explain it to you in a minute if you're sitting on your bottom following directions. Edmund's expectations. Respectful, responsible, and caring. I have 6 rules in this classroom, and I expect you to follow them, please. Thank you. Okay, so here. This is Ajed, Kinde, and Terrence's. Theirs said that the moon... Ouch, sorry. The moon is telling the sun to go this way, and the sun is telling the moon to go that way. Which is making... slowly. I'm sorry. I forgot to add the word slowly in there, okay? Great drawing, okay? So now you're going to have to test that with the object and see if it is right, or maybe I need to think about, wait, did this make sense? Could I try something different, okay? This one is Princess Yar, Miranda, and Annie, and Jakira. Okay?
Jakira didn't come with us. No, I didn't. I was with Carlos.
Oh, you did?
Come on. And Yar did.
Well, that's because your name wasn't on there. Okay. All right. Well, you were supposed to be with Ajed and Terrence, okay? So, you should not be in this group. You should be with Ajed and Terrence, okay? So, they have the sun, the moon, and the earth. They have the sun and the moon above the earth to help them make night and day. So, we'll have to see if that works, okay? All right? Okay? This is Muhammad Wali, Noble, and Ansel. Now, I'm really interested to see how we could explain these people down here a little bit better. Because you have the sun, the earth, and the moon kind of aligned, kind of not aligned, but then there's stars out there too. So good job. So look at these different ideas. So look at these different ideas, and might make you think about, what about our drawing? What about our design? Maybe I should think about these other engineers and think about how these scientists are studying these objects and what I could use to help me understand it better. So here we go. This one, the sun is shining down on this side, and the moon is shining down on this side to make day and night. Good job. I like it. Okay? All right. So, Jakira, you with this group? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So, we'll just put your name on that paper, okay? Nope. Nope. All right. Here is a very detailed, very artistic, realistic drawing. Very good, friends. Okay. This is the sun. It was the fiery ball of sun. This is the earth with water and land. And this is the moon, which is attached to the earth. So we'll have to see if that would really work. Okay? All right. And this is the last one. This is Gabriel, Melanie, and Veronica. Now, is this okay?
No.
Yes. Who said no? Hey, wait. They have two ideas. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Because then they can test this idea. And they can test this idea. Okay? Oh, this was yours? Okay, but you guys were supposed to come up with one together. Okay, if you want to participate by using... No, it's not going to go on your forehead because remember, it's going to be pretending that it's the sun, okay? So it can't go on your forehead if you're going to do this project with us, okay? So can you please go put it back in the box and wait until it's our turn? Thank you. Yes, we're going to have to pretend it's the sun. Okay?
That's why we have all those flashlights to be the sun.
Yes.
But it's red and white. Is it the real sun?
Is it the real sun?
No.
No. You guys are going to have to pretend. If I could bring you the sun, I would. But what would happen to us if I brought you the sun?
It would go hot.
Nope. How do you know that you would die?
Because it has so much.
Thank you. Okay. Whoa. Stop.
It has too much hotness.
Stop. What happened to raising our hand? Okay? All right. So I'm glad that you guys are super sparked about learning this. Okay? No, spark. That means excited. I'm trying to teach you new vocabulary too. Pay attention. Okay? All right. So you guys are going to get an earth, a sun, and a moon, and try your design after we read the target. Your target is, I am learning to use observation to learn about the sun, the moon, and the stars to describe patterns that can be predicted. So, remember what we said, pattern. We see
stars.
We see stars, and then we see the sun. Then we see the moon, and then we see the sun. We see the moon, and then we see the that's a predicted pattern. But now your job is to figure out, because some of us just don't know exactly how that works. So I want you to try to discover that, to see if you can figure out how scientists and engineers work together to solve this. So what did the engineers do? They built the
Stuff. Cars.
Do we drive cars in space?
No.
And we call those If you keep talking to her and don't ignore, it's going to get more and more. Okay, pay attention to me, and she will be able to calm her body down and get back on track. Okay? Thank you. So, tools and technology. The engineers created the tools and technologies to help the scientists study how the sun, the moon, and the earth, and the stars make predicted patterns.
Oh, that's the sun.
No. Remember, you're supposed to ignore it. Okay? Now, your job is to figure out how to get those things to make a predicted pattern to show the night and the day. So this is the next one. Here we go. I am learning. To make observations. At different times. Of the year. To relate. The amount of daylight. To the time of day. But or the year. Stop. Why are we screaming all of a sudden, you guys? Come on. Okay, so.
Take all the flashlights.
Now, how am I supposed to hold all the flashlights?
Hide them.
And where do you suppose that I hide them? All right, okay, so
put it all the way up there.
we are going to get in our groups again. You are going to get your design, and you are going to a table. Yar. No, baby. Come on. Let's go. If you want to go and work, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yar. Come on. Thank you. Thank you, Gabriel, for sitting here and being so respectful, responsible, and caring. Gabriel, your group may get an earth, a moon, and a sun, and a couple of the sticks to see if you can use the sticks correctly. A couple means two. Okay?
So how do we use the sticks?
How do you use the sticks is a great question. So you are going to have to think about how you would use the sticks.
We can come in and do
Thank you, Annie, for sitting quietly. You may come and get your paper.
Do we get one flashlight?
Yeah, I think she'd do a good job. I think she'd do a good job. Yar. Okay, well then, Kinda, Miss Rinker needs you to go right now to do your facts. Okay, do a really good job. Is that your name?
Miss Webb, I wrote a
Okay, yep.
No, only
You're not listening. Your partner is trying to help you. Muhammad Wali, thank you for sitting quietly. Muhammad Wali's group, let's go. Nyla, thank you for sitting quietly. Your group may go. Elijah, thank you for sitting quietly. Your group may go.
Come on. Come on, guys.
You were with Princess until you had to leave yesterday, correct? Huh? Correct? Correct? Yes, go back to that group. They're all the same. Okay, so then goodbye. Go find your group. No, you only need. Do we live on two Earths? So you need one Earth, one Earth.
We don't have one. Put the white stuff back. I already got
No, we're not shining any flashlights into anybody's eyes. There's extra.